everyone, and welcome back. It's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and today I'm back with another technique tutorial video as part of the ongoing bead weaving basics series that I have. This time showing you a fourth version or take on the really simple daisy chain beading stitch using only seed beads. Because this is a technique video, I'm not going to show you a piece from start to finish, but instead I'll be showing you how you can create a daisy chain just like the one that you see here in whatever length that you want, whether it's a really long strand so you can make a wrap bracelet or whatever you want to do. And you don't have to use 3 different colors for the flowers. You can use many more than that if you'd like, or you can make the flowers all one color. That's totally up to you. For this video, I'll be using 4 different colors of size 11-0 seed beads, and 3 of the colors are going to be for my flower petals, and then the 4th color is going to be the color that goes inside the center of each flower. I'll be using a size 11 beading needle and some 6-pound test Fireline, and everything that I'm using today will be linked and listed right down below the video in the description section. To get started and to practice this technique, you can go ahead and thread your beading needle with a comfortable length of beading thread, and then we will jump into this tutorial. Our first step is to determine which color flower we want to use first, and I'll just go in this order that I have them laid out. So we're going to pick up 5 of our petal beads in the first color, and then we're going to pick up 1 seed bead in the center of the flower color. Go ahead and pull those down to the tail end of your beading thread, and you're welcome to use a stop bead if you'd like to. Next, take your needle and sew back through that very first petal bead heading towards your tail thread. And pull that together, and you have something that looks like this. Next, you can pick up 3 more in that same petal color, and then sew down through the seed bead that is on the other side of the center of the flower. And you have something like this. Just put that in between your 2 fingers and pull. And that's your first flower completed. Now we're going to move on to our next color flower. So what you'll want to do is pick up 2 of those seed beads, and then sew down through the previous 2 seed beads, just like that, and pull those into place, and then sew up through the 2 new seed beads that you just added, and pull tight. Now pick up the center color, and pick up 3 more of your petal color, and then sew back up through these 2 petal color seed beads and pull. And then next you'll pick up 3 of your petal color and sew directly down through the 1 seed bead that comes after that center colored seed bead and pull. So that is 2 flowers complete. You just keep repeating this over and over again, just like we did. And we're going to do 1 more together. Let's do our purple. I'm going to pick up 2 of that petal color, head down through the previous 2 seed beads, pull, and then sew up through the 2 new purple ones. And just like we did before, pick up 1 of the center color, and then pick up 3 of that petal color, and sew up through the 2 purple petal beads. Then pick up 3 of your petal color to complete this flower, and sew down through that single seed bead that is right after the center. So that's all there is to it. You can just back up the video if you need to and continue on and make this as long or as short as you'd like. If you're brand new to bead weaving, be sure to check out the playlist that I have for my bead weaving basics videos, and I have 3 other variations on the daisy chain you can check out that are also located in there. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful for you. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and also feel free to share the video with your other beading friends. That's all I have for now. I hope to see you again real soon. Until next time, I want to wish you a fabulous rest of your day, and as always, happy beading.